Hey guys! In this Mansur-Rig speed rigging tutorial, we're going to rig a tail with a variable FK setup using the FKChain model in about 3 minutes or so. To make things even nicer, we will add a spring behavior to the tail with only a few clicks. By the way, this example scene is available for free in Mansur-Rig's ArtStation store. Let's get started. As always, I'm going to start by creating a rig top by double-clicking the FKChain module and name it. Then, in the module settings window, I'll choose to create 5 guides, detick the Match Parent Orient checkbox, and choose to orient my chain along the -z axis. I'll also up the control shape scale multiplier to 11 to better fit my model. Now I'm going to roughly place my guides. Once I'm happy with the guides placement, I'll open the FKChain settings again, go into the module settings tab, and tweak my settings to create the variable FK setup. I'll choose 20 interpolation joints to deform my model, open the variable FK layer drop-down menu, check the Do Variable FK checkbox, change the amount of variable FK controls to 5, and leave the rest of the attributes default. Once I update my module, my joint structure is updated automatically and my interp joints are now available to deform the tail. I'll select the FKChain's root guide, go into the Deformation tab in Block, and use the Select Skinning Joints utility to quickly select my deformation joints. I'll add the geometry into the selection and bind it to the skeleton. I'll quickly move some guides to make sure my skin is bound correctly. Now that I have my basic setup created, I'll construct my rig to check my current state. I think that looks pretty good for a 2-minute effort. I'm going to use the automatically created sine wave attributes to further test my rig. Now I can see that I have a stretching issue with my deformation, as my tail doesn't retain its length. We're going to easily fix that in the next construction iteration. To finalize my setup, I'll deconstruct and tweak some settings. First, I'll go into the main FK layer dropdown and change the main curve interpolation mode to fixed length in order to fix my stretching issue. I'm also going to add a spring behavior to my interp joints to add some procedural secondary motion to my rig. Now let's construct again and set a few keyframes to recreate the setup shown at the beginning of this video. And that's it, a sprung variable FK setup from scratch in just a few minutes. Once again, this scene is now available for free in Mansur-Rig's ArtStation store for you to be able to take a closer look and play with it yourself. If you still haven't installed Mansur-Rig, please visit Mansur-Rig.com to get started. I want to thank the Eldritch-Foundry for providing this cool tail model. I'll leave a link below to their awesome custom miniature creator. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.